So guys, today's tutorial is going to be as simple as before, like very simple, and this is the head wrap. So guys, we need this material. This material is a very short material. It is in 3 layers, but the length is very short. It's not really long. It's not that long at all. So I'll be using it to tie this head wrap you saw earlier in this video. So if you have a long material as well, you can try it out, just that you have you're going to achieve it, but it's going to be more bigger than mine. So you can see how I held it straight down in length shape, then I folded a bit in. I used the elastic band to grab it and place it on my head. After placing it on my head, I tried to make just one pleat round so that I don't have the edge out. So I took it forward like that and I used elastic band to grab it. Guys, if you want to tie this head wrap, you have to get your elastic bands available, like many. I don't know, I think I use 6 or 7, I'm not sure, but get your elastic band available for this style. So you see, when I finish wrapping the front with the elastic band, then I try to make pleats. You make pleats, just watch my hand, I don't know, just make the pleats like that. The way my hand is moving, just make the pleats down before you fold. I'm going to fold it immediately I finish pleating. Yes, you see I folded it just a bit like that. Or if you have a very lengthy material, you can make it more, you can fold or pleat more than I have done. So I'm going the second time. I'll be doing these tries. Yes, I'll be doing these tries. So this is the second time. I'll also use my elastic band to hold that one again. That's the second one. Then I'll be going for the third one now. That same pleat, I'll be making it and using my elastic band to hold it, guys. Oh, to my returning viewers, you guys are wonderful. Thanks for always stopping by to watch this video, and I hope it's worth watching. Like, you guys are gaining 1 or 2 steps to achieve your head wrap. You can see I'm done with the third one. I've done the third one like that, and I'm grabbing the 3 together using another elastic band to grab the 3 together to stand firmly on their own. You see I have little excess, I just take it sideways and pin it down. So this up, I leave it. So the next stage we're going to is just, you see that split 3 pleats I made. Just dip your hand into the hole, middle of the hole, and stretch everything in there out. Stretch it out. You do for the first one like that. Dip your hand into the hole like that and stretch every fabric, every material inside. Stretch it out. Yes, that's the second one I'm doing. You stretch it out and you go for the third one as well. You do the same thing. Stretch. Make sure you stretch everything. Okay, when you stretch everything out, then you're good to go, guys. Yeah, you can see I'm stretching it out. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, thanks for stopping by. And what we do on this page is to do sharp head wrap, DIY, do it yourself head wrap, simple ones that it's not going to give you issue. Okay, so I'm done stretching out, and the little I have, I don't want it standing, so I take it to the back and I pin it down with that material at the back. So here I am. I try to shift it backward, and here's the back of the style. Here's the back, guys. Do like, share and comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.